Welcome back to the channel. So for our video today, it's season 2, game 2. Finally, tagal namin schedule. Finally naging available si Mikey and si Doy. Kaming lahat pala, and also si Andrew. So again, playing here in Philippine Navy. Currently, we're leading 1-0. Then for the putting Olympics, it's currently 17-15. So yung putting Olympics namin, it's still 20 pesos per head per point. And the winner, the points will be given after the series. So yeah, it's like 7-game series, pero currently we're leading 1-0. Yeah. So playing with the consistent members. Yan, si Doy at saka si Andrew, magkampi pa rin. Tapos si Mikey, sa red D pa rin. Yeah. Okay, let's see. See you at the fairways. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. Especially comment who you think will win game 2. Partner, good luck. Good luck, brother. Good luck, good luck. So 15-17 ang Olympics natin currently.
Okay.
Okay.
Carry over yun. Yes. Safe and sound. Ay, sumabit ko yan. Okay. Go. Wow. Abot na talo. Nice G. Tayo.
Yan, okay. So ang aming mga kalabang kadi, meow meow meow. Yan, si Dodong and si Bray. Yan, mga official nice shot. Yan, silang kadi ni si Dodong, kadi ni Dodoy. Si Andrew, ang kadi niya, si Bray. Yan. Tapos kami, ayan. Si Jong, Mikey, ako at saka si Wena. Doy and Andrew taking sa'yo ba ito? Andrew's t-shirt. Kanan mo pa. GUR. Okay. Sa GUR, brother, sa kanan. Ganda naman. Maganda. Oh, naka-flu game yun. MJ flu game siya eh.
Kaya walang gigil, walang energy.
Wala pa. Yan. Tapos ito naman ang aming mga candy. Akin, syempre, the usual, Wengder Woman, and si Jong. Yan. Safe mo lang. Okay. Good shot, brother. Good shot. Nice shot.
Ganda.
Hindi na.
Ay, kumana.
What? For right?
Okay. Andrew and Doy's third shot. No, ganda. Maganda. Ay, sobra. Okay. Back of the green. Sila Andrew and Doy taking Andrew's second shot. Third shot nila is around 70 yards to the flag. Kami, we're taking Mikey's second shot naman. I mean, kaliwa lang. Olympian! Okay, we are left with 61 yards. Taking Mikey's second shot. Tirang 50 yards. Lakas! Bite! Nice shot, pero okay lang. Pato. Okay. Doy and Andrew putting for birdie for putting Olympics for 2 points. So currently it's 17-15 points, 1 and 2 points. Wag kang aabot. Okay, they're in for par. Good putt, brother. That's good. Okay, this is for our birdie and 1 point. Ang bigay mo, Jong? Right inside lang yan. Tingin ko kanan. Okay. Magtiwala kay Jong. Unless kalaban ko pa si Jong. Huling kalaban ko si Jong, si 7-0 kami. 7 up.
Wala.
O kaliwa. Lakas. Wala akong practice sa putting. Okay. Hole number 2.
Maganda ang mga patama ni Mikey. Pareho kami din. Labas ka, labas ka.
Andrew Indoy, and unfortunately they're still looking for their golf ball. They might be taking Andrew's tee shot. And so hanahanap pa nila. Kami naman ni Mikey, we went sa left naman. So our strategy is si Mikey will aim there just to be in the fairway, tapos ako will try to punch draw. We are still left with 160 yards to the flag. Lusot mo. Ayun, lusot.
Tama.
I think they were able to find their golf ball. Ayun, tawid. Nice shot. Nice shot. Tumawid yung kay Doy. Andrew, mga 250 pa. Okay, tawid din. In the middle. Okay. Unfortunately, my second shot went in the water. Left with 76 yards to the flag. We are using Mikey's second shot again. So tirang mga 70 yards to the flag.
Nice shot. Kick right.
Nice shot, Mikey.
Ang galing.
What a shot. Lakas.
Doy and Andrew around 55 yards to the flag. They are taking Andrew's second shot. Maganda. Maganda. Galing naman. Nice shot, Doy. Dikit si Doy. Galing. Oo, kitang-kita. Oo. Parehas tayo, brother. Parehong-pareho. Saved by our partners. Okay, for Olympics and for our match play, kami putting for par, pero they are closer. So they're putting for 1 point. Kami also putting for 2 points and also for par. So we need to make this to keep the match all square. Dun sa may dumi, ano?
Grabe yun, grabe yun.
Okay. To keep the match all square. Nice putt. Okay, all square. 19-16. Hole number 3, playing 180 yards. Malaki na yung pot money dito.
Oh, palagay ko may pag-asa to. Kick right! Kick right!
Those rare occasions to tumatama.
Nice shot. Gusto ko yan. Kick left. Yun! Kick left!
Okay, both teams putting for birdie. Sila Andrew for 2 points. Kami for 1 point. Alam, mukha naman tong right to left. Wow! Muntik na kami doon. Ganun din siya. Yung eagle niya kasi sa kanya tumalbog. Ayun. Okay. That's good, brother. Okay, they're in for par. Kami ni Mikey, this is to go one up. Kailangan birdie to win talaga kami. Right to left. Bakas naman! Okay, all square pa rin. 19, 16. Nako, Delix. Tumama. Safe daw, okay. Ganda. Behind daw ng konti.
Go!
Nice one, Mikey!
Maganda talaga.
Okay.
Mga patama ni Mikey.
Mahirap naman talaga ang... Andrew Indoy left with 125 yards to the flag. They are taking Andrew's tee shot. Go over. Sa kanan. Hindi, matigas yung lupa eh. Uy, tama na! Pumatong pa nga ata. Bawal yun. Huwag kang sasabit. Oh, yun ang pwede nyo i-take ha. Yung mga nagdabog na tira, bawal. Good shot, brother. Good break. Okay, we are left with 97 yards to the flag. Aiming right to left. Turn. Sige, baba. Yun, tumama. Hindi nakitang bumalik. Yeah! Okay, both teams spotting for birdie. Mas malayo kami. So for 2 points sa Olympics. So they're taking Doy's second shot.
Yes!
Bawal yun! Oh, +1 yun ha. One point yun, no? 1 point. Okay, 1 point. Okay, we need to make this to keep the match all square. Just 1 point kaya, no?
1 point.
So, 19-17. Okay. Okay, yan yung target namin to make birdie. Okay, kita. Nakuha rin ni Mikey! Oh! Nauna ang
Ganyan din!
Okay, what a putt by Mr. Raimundo. Pero bawal dapat yun eh. Yung ganong tsamba. Para alam mo yung sa shooting, tumama sa taas ng ring. Ay, ng board. Tapos yung...
Shot clock. Tumama sa shot clock. Yes!
Tapos ganyan pa. Short mo. Yay! Joke lang, bunker. Yay!
Yun! Nice! Go, brother! Go! Yes! Okay na yan.
Short din eh.
Nice. Eh sila bunker pa rin.
Tingin mo.
Pero hindi masyado maganda yung buwan.
Go! Short! Lord one! Ay!
Ay, full. Go! Go left! Ayun. Parang umabot ka sa...
Okay, Doy and Andrew. Ha? Oh, for 3 points pala. Okay, for 3 points, mga Olympians. It's either 3 na lang to or 1. They're taking Andrew's tee shot. 3 points nga. Ilayo mo pa!
Yun!
Mahina. Okay. Okay, may chance. May chance magtupat. Anong tinarget mo, Jong? Walter pala, Walter. So halos 20. Yan, si Walter. Apelido niya yung Jong. Okay. Okay, kita. Thank you.
20 ako ah. Bahala ka na mag-adjust.
Oh, tsaka ka. Swerte na lang pag na-shoot natin yan eh. Sabay, ikaw naman talaga nag-shoot ng ganyan.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ikaw
Partner.
talaga.
Huwag mong tanggapin masyado. Baka pumasok sa utak natin.
Tapat na yung hindi nagagalit. Nakita ko sila inaano yung ilalim.
Hindi ilalim, dito yun yung face.
Hindi, meron din sila ilalim. Siguro pag tumama, hindi ko alam kung ilalim nila. Mga babae
Hindi, yung face yun, Mikey, nakaganon.
Okay.
Ginaganon nila, pero yung club face yun. Dali yata, malakas lang, malakas. Short.
Go, 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 go.
Short.
Sinaksak siguro. Yes!
1 point. Par.
Hey,
Good putt, brother.
1 point.
Okay, so... Par. Okay, hole number 6. We are currently 1 down. Tapos Olympics, 1 point na lang lead namin. Ay, kabig.
Yes!
Ganda. Ay, sumaman. Sige pa, bleed mo pa.
Wag.
Sa white ka, Mikey.
Good left. What? Nice shot.
Terrible tee shot for both Mikey and I. Sorry, partner.
Ilang ano yan?
Punch out lang kami. Mga 120. Huwag ka lang papasok sa bunker. Okay, good shot, brother. Good shot, no? Sobra yata. Hindi nag-draw. Okay lang sa'yo. Mr. Raimundo and Mr. Cortez taking Andrew's tee shot. Nag-lay up yata yung isa. May silip yun normally. Mababa. Patong. Wow naman! Galing naman! Galing ni Andrew. Dikit. Patong siya. That's his second shot.
Grabe yun!
Okay. Galing. Nice shot, Drew! Ganda ng tira ni Andrew. From there, yun sila. Putting for birdie. Kami, hindi, kailangan pala natin to i-up and down for par. Okay, this is up and down for par, 82 yards to the flag. Left right ba to, Jong? Diretso na.
Four.
Tama na.
Nalaglag. Maganda yan, G.
Wag mong turuan. Ako, tuturuan pa natin. Alright, so we are putting for 2 points and for par. Sila Drew and Doy putting for birdie. We have this putt 10 paces uphill. Mga left to right. Balik. Kulang lang. Uy, ba't bumali naman, nag-left to right naman nun? No? Bumaliwa naman sa dulo.
2 putts to win. Okay, 2 putts to win.
Kung so sila, pwede. Okay na yan. 2 up ko. Uy, sayang. Okay.
Clutch ng ano nila, yung mga out nila.
Oo, no? Alright, so that was a very bad start. We are now currently 2 down. Tas sa Olympics 18 total. So now, playing hole number 7, 327 yards. Dog leg, right. Ganda, Mikey. Gitna. Oh, pumalakpak, 'di ba? Oh, good. Nice shot, brother. Nice shot, Mikey. Pumuno. Ganda ng draw. Gitna.
Hindi ka tamaan yung ibon.
Oo nga.
Ay, sobrang napunta. Ayun.
4 for right! Okay. We are taking Mikey's tee shot. Nag-invento ako ng tira. Nasa kabilang fairway ako. We're left with 110 yards to the flag. I'm hitting a 56 degree. Tapos nandyan lang sila Andrew.
Go! Go, go! Patong sir, patong. Kaliwa lang.
Patong ba? Short yata.
Kiat mo.
Olympian. Doy and Andrew, 110 yards. Okay, we're taking my second shot kasi kahit patong na si Mikey sa green, we're taking mine kasi this might be an easier option. Plus may chance kami for 3 points. Hopefully for Olympics also. Sure 1 point. Ilang bilang mo partner? 10. Okay. Ganda Mikey.
Bitin.
Okay lang. At least 1 point. Ang hina na behind. Looks up. Maganda yan. Doy and Andrew to keep the 2 up lead. This is for to go up and down for a par. Nice putt. Okay, good par. So hole number 8, currently 2 down. It's playing 165 yards. 155 yards to the pin. Pin is stuck right behind the bunker. 155 against the wind. Might be hitting an 8 iron. Angat! Angat! Parang tumalbog, umover sa left side eh. Parang over yata. Parang hindi yata nagbunker eh. Nagtumalbog pa kaliwa eh. Pero lagpas yun oh. Yun yung promise ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, pag na...
Ang ganda niyan pag gumulong.
Gulong mo sa bunker.
Parang
right
patong.
Parang Olympian.
Straight mo.
Walang kaduda-duda.
Nice shot. Thank you, brother. Okay, Doy and Andrew. Chance for 3 points to go up and down for par. Okay, mahina. Mr. Cortez.
Wala.
Binigyan ng chance. Lagpas yan. Binigyan ng chance. Okay, we have this birdie putt for 2 points. For 2 points and also to
Regular lang.
get a stroke. Right to left. Right edge lang bigay mo.
Regular lang.
Hindi, medyo slightly uphill ng konti. Lagyan mo ng konting firm, tama?
Firm na lang.
Okay. Uy! Okay, Doy and Andrew for par to half the hole. Nakakuha ulit. Uy. Okay. Okay. 1 down. Kuha namin. Okay, hole number 9. We were able... Kuha natin. 1 down na lang tayo. Okay, par. We made par. They made bogey. Okay, at least 1 down na lang kami. So, Spotting Olympics, we are still up by 2 points total. 2018.
Kick right. Samain.
Uy, lumabas.
Oh, ano yun? Ano yung nagdukot?
Crocodile.
Kick right ba? Hindi.
Lumabas, sir.
Kick right. Kick right.
Kick left.
Ay, kick left.
Kick left talaga.
Nice shot, Mikey.
Fairway
Okay na.
finder siya.
Fairway. Good shot, partner. Sabong talaga, lol. Loko-loko, alam ko lang si Dubin.
Mas malapit yun.
Andrew and Doy, they're taking a Doy's tee shot. Pumalo na si Doy. Pumunta sa left side of the fairway. Malayo pa sila, nasa 300 plus pa to the flag. So, course management lang. Andrew, 5 wood. Gitna. Ganda. Okay. Ayun, ganda na sipa. Gumit na pa lalo. Okay, they're in the fairway. We are taking my tee shot. Layo pa. 290 yards to the flag. Okay. Galing ng may padivot pa. Nice shot, brother. Good shot, brother.
Kiklap mo.
Yun! Ay! Pumasok kaya? Doy and Andrew's third shot. 110 yards to the flag. Hindi, patong si Drew. Hindi, patong si... nga, fringe. Okay, pares lang. Pero Olympian. Okay. Okay, we're taking my second shot. This is to go up and down for a birdie. Na sayang lang umabot sa bunker. Okay. Okay, both teams up and down for par. Mga Olympian. Mga 14 yards kami to the flag, left to right. Parang malakas. Doy and Andrew to go up and down for par. Hit it inside me for 2 points. Yan, stop. Okay. 2 points. Okay. Wag mo i-shoot, Drew, ha. Naku. Okay. Okay, buti na lang. Thank you, Drew. Okay, 1 point na sila. Okay. Okay, we're putting for par and also for 2 points to half the hole. To finish the first 9, now we're just 1 down. Nice putt, brother. Okay, 2 points. Nice putt. Half hole. Okay, for match play, for season 2, game 2, we are currently 1 down. Tapos, okay, this is it, hole number 10. So hole number 10, it's playing 140 yards, slightly against the wind. Might hit a pitching wedge. Ay, sorry, a 9-iron.
Nice shot. Ayan na. Bumalik na si Doy.
Uy!
Shot partner.
Ganda. Bite.
Ganda naman.
Ay, lumabas ba? Pang Olympian.
Go. Huwag ka magbangka. Angat. Yun, patong! Andrew and Doy both went in the bunker, but they are choosing Doy's tee shot. Layo mo pa. Yan, sige. Yun, okay. Bilang butas. Pare. Okay, Andrew to go up and down for a par. Pressure is on. Malakas din. Olympian pa rin. Okay, 2 points. Okay. Okay, chance for... Ayan, chance natin, brother, mag all square. We are taking Mikey's tee shot just off the green. Olympian, left to right. 11 yards to the flag. Okay, he's putting it. Ako, I'm chipping it. Left to right, 1 cup to 1 ball. Chance for 3 points. Baba. Shoot masal nearest to the pin. Okay na yan, makeable na yan. Nice putt, brother. Ang bilis pala.
Bumili sa akin.
Pula, laylay.
Laki.
We have this spot for par. And to get the match all square and for 1 point. Nice spot. Okay. All square. 23-19. Nice spot, partner. 23-19 tapos all square na kami. 23-19. Okay. Hole number 11, 295 yards. Kung safe na si Mikey, I will hit a driver. Ganda, fairway. Gitnang gitna. Good shot, Drew. Doy and Andrew left with mga 130 yards to the flag. Ganda. A little right lang. Kick right mo pa. Yan, sa bunker. Very good. Bunker nga. Yun ang dinadasal ni Wing.
Hindi po.
Kaliwa. Bunker din, sa kaliwa naman. Maganda yan. Wow naman! Galing, Patong. Nice shot, brother. Okay, we are left with 120 yards taking my tee shot. I might hit a full 56-degree wedge.
Left. Patong. Patong sa kanan.
Patong? Ay, nag-leap hinangin sa kanan.
Bounce left.
Short?
Short.
We are taking Mikey's tee shot. Galing, clutch. Patong siya. Ako landed short. Ha? Oo. Medyo with the grain. Nakuha, Mikey! Ay! Nice spot, partner.
Yun na eh.
Boom! Ay! Sobrang lakas naman. Hey, Doy. For birdie. Ganda nung manok. Give ha, give. Oh, give. Mamaya natin i-reserve yung hindi give. Mamaya natin i-reserve yung mark. Doy, ginib namin ha. Kulang, brother, mahina. Oo, namalay. Give na rin, no? Dalawang give ha. Dalawang give binigay namin sa isang butas ha. Oh, hindi na pala. An update. So, putting Olympics, it's 23-19. Then for our stroke play, or match play, we are still tied na all square for both. So playing now the 12th hole. 12th hole is playing 140 yards downwind. Tapos front pin lang siya. So I'll be hitting a pitching wedge. Oh, biglang nag-against. Pero with the window sa harap. Nako, delikado. Far! Yan, sige.
Sigaw ka lang ako.
Unfortunately, they had to take Andrew's tee shot. Pumasok sa tubig si Doy. This is to go up and down for par. Okay, may chance pa rin tayo, brother. Okay. Mr. Raimundo, up and down for par. Don't be clutch. Okay, may chance tayo, brother. Okay, we are taking Mikey's tee shot. Okay, for birdie. And 2 points. 2 points and to go 1 up if ever. Pumasok pa. Pumasok pa. Oh, right to left.
Ay, gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan. Ano mo sandali?
Okay. Doy and Andrew for 1 point. And to keep the match all square. Tumalon, brother. Oh, give ulit, take ulit. To go 20 points sa Olympics. Maganda! Wow naman! 1 point. Nice spot, brother. Nice spot, brother. All square pa rin. What a clutch pot by Mr. Cortez. Galing, galing, galing. Half. Oo. Tapos 1 point sila. 23-20. 23-20. Okay, hole number 13. What a clutch pot by Mr. Cortez. Okay lang, malayo yan, brother. Sige pa. Okay. Layo, ang layo ng gulong. Nasa may bunker.
Yes, nice partner.
Nice shot. Nice shot. Ay, nag-bleed. Okay lang yan. May chance na tumama sa puno yun eh. Doy and Andrew still with 251 yards to the flag. Yeah, course management sila. Right before the bunker, right side of the fairway. Okay, good shot. Nice shot. Ay, kaliwa naman. Okay, left and right sila. Pero I think safe naman yung kay Doy. Okay, we are going for it. Oh, well, I'm going for it. Mike is playing safe. It's 200 yards to the flag. Ay, shanky. Shanky.
Masasabit.
Ay, tumama.
Safe.
Okay, Drew and Doy, 100 yards. Medyo sampal. Ang ganda pa rin nung... Napakaswerte naman nung... Ganda, nice shot. Para sadya. Meow kami. Okay, we are left with, we are taking my second shot. Sayang, sumabit. Ay, ano kaya to? May puno. Sasabit kaya tayo dyan?
Gumamit, 8 na ginamit
No?
ko.
Hindi, tingin mo, hindi tayo sabit dyan? Okay. 75. Bye. Okay lang. At least patong na, brother.
Sige pa. Off ka na ba?
Yan! Okay, Olympian. Kaso, 20 lang yun. Ay, kabig! Ba't kumanon?
Ma-Olympian?
Right? Ay, ba't nag-right to left? We have this to go up and down for a par. Left to right.
Kung nasa green ako.
Yung sa may dahon.
Kung nasa green ako, mabilis ba? Mabilis yan.
Oo, mabilis yan. Okay, tapos sila Drew and Doy. They have a birdie putt. So hopefully,
11.
we can hit this close. Kulang lang sa kaliwa. Okay na. Wait, 1 point. That's good. Nakakuha na naman. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, hole 14. Olympics 24-20. So we're leading by 4 points. Then for match play, match is still all square. Ay, sa caddy. 4! Ganun din. 4 right!
Wow, ay.
Four! Yun, yan.
Okay, taking my tee shot a little left lang of the fairway. Our strategy is Mikey will play safe. Kung safe na siya, I will hit a hybrid. 250 pa. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Pwede ko na subukan to. Okay, hybrid ako eh na.
Yun lang.
We are left with 140 yards to the flag. We are taking Mikey's tee shot. Ang ganda ng tira ni Andrew. They are right in front of the green lang to go up and down for their par. Ay hindi, for birdie din pala yan. Chipping for birdie yan. Yeah, so up and down for par. So kailangan namin ito mapatong. Yun! Ang ganda! Kanan lang. Patong mo.
Doy, pamalo mo ba yun? Wow! Ay, yan ang maganda.
Score, kaliwala. Thank you. This is Andrew's third shot. Grabe, galing. This is to go up and down for par. Possibly 3 points. Kanan lang. Oh, okay na yun. Maganda. Mahina lang kasi uphill. Buti na lang, nag-bite! Baliktad. Okay, we have this spot for birdie and 2 points. This is to finally, hopefully, go up in the match. Left to right, 12 paces. Hindi, mga plus 2 siguro. O kahit plus 1 pero firm. Mahina pa oh. Okay na, makeable na yan.
Mas make pala tayo.
Oo, mas snake tayo.
Oo, naku, yari ko kaawin. Salamat mo pa pag naghiwalay yan.
Ay! Grabe, clutch talaga. Ang clutch talaga ni Drew ngayon. Grabe naman yun. Nice spot, nice spot. 1 point pa. 24-21. Nice spot. Grabe yun ah. Hole number 15. What a clutch putt by Mr. Cortez again. Grabe. 442. Sa Olympics natin, it's 24-21. 3 points pa rin.
Grabe, birdie to win talaga.
Oo. Bleed. Sige pa, bleed pa. Nice shot. Parang nasa loob yung init kasi. Ang ganda naman yan.
One!
Sige pa, ipasok mo.
One!
Nako.
Wow. Hindi mo na nga kailangan tumira.
Yun! Nice shot!
Pwede.
Kumana na parehas na, 4 nandun. O kung kaninong bola mahanap na lang. Both Andrew, ay hindi pala both. They had to take their second shot already. Tawid na si Doy. Sorry, hindi ko na videohan. So kami, Mikey will just cover the water. Tapos ako subukan ko ipaslice to the pin. The pin is here. So susubukan ko ilusot dito. Tapos shape it. Nice one, Mikey. Ganda. Galing naman nung huwag ka lang umabot sa bunker. Bunker. Okay lang, okay lang. Kaya yan, kaya yan.
Anak ng kamote naman talaga.
Ito yung isasabi ko yung
Doy and Andrew's third shot to go up and down for a birdie. Kami, we're playing Mikey's. Ganda naman. Nice shot, brother. They're putting for birdie. Ganda ng tira ni Doy. Short. Very short. Okay. Okay, 21 yards. We are taking Mikey's second shot. Tapos ayan. 21 yards left to right. Manipis yung buhangin. Bite.
Bye.
Ay, sayang.
Olympian tuloy. Sobra naman. Very unfortunate ang aming bunker shots ni Mikey. We need to hit this close or sana get it in. Kasi they're already putting for birdie. Yan sila. Kami up and down for par if ever. But at least this is a chance for 3 points. Galing naman nun, Mikey! Kumagat lang. Ayan, kung saan yung bola niya, no? Doon ako. Okay, grabe. Medyo bad hole. Okay, they have this birdie putt to win, to go 1 up and 2 points para 24-23 kung sakali.
Yes, partner.
Nakakuha, birdie. Okay, 1 up. Nice, 1 point. Good putt, partner. Okay, hole number 16. They are currently 1 up. Ganda na, clutch putt pa rin naman sila. Hindi kami makamake ng putt ni Mikey. Tapos sa Olympics, it's 25-23.
Wow. Nice shot, brother. Hole in one. Hole in one. Uy, okay na, safe na tayo. Nice shot. Go. Ay, shot. Inisip ko, going ko na lang 50.
Go! Go! Olympian! Okay, pwede na yan, Olympian. Ay, kumahanan tayo.
Kick left.
Ganda ng linya na simula eh.
Wala nga yung
Nag-fade sa
tsaka yung distance mo, ganda.
Okay, both teams are putting for birdie. Sila Doy and Drew putting for 2 points as well. We need them to miss this and we need to make para all square. Maganda 17-18. Mark na yun sa katabi ng buto sa kanan. Parang yun yung nakikita kong linya. Bitin. Oo. Okay na yan, Drew. Okay, we have this putt to win, to go back to all square. Okay, we are giving it 1 cup sa right, firm uphill, right to left. Ay, sayang yung putt na yun, Luigi. Grabe. We needed that to stay alive. Although we're still alive. Hole 17 is playing 175 yards. Might hit a 7 iron. Kasi currently, they are 1 up last 2 holes. So if ever, if we tie, if mag all square kami dito, it's either all square or talo na lang kami. But if they win this hole, outright panalo na sila. 1-1 na ang standing namin.
Safe lang.
Patong pa yan eh. Patong mo sa bunker.
Bunker!
Malinaw na malinaw. Mikey, may opening. Stop bleeding! Patong mo lang. Doy and everyone is in the bunker. Pare-parehong mahirap pero kanina pa kami nasa bunker. Okay, layo mo pa. We need this. Naku, Olympian pa! Olympian pa, sa fringe pa. Although, hindi, importante naman yan kay Drew.
Yes, ngayon.
Hindi ko na iniisip yung Olympics. Gusto ko yung pakain.
50 na tayo ngayon, 50 na.
Pala. Okay, just an update. 50 pesos na pala ang aming Olympics. It's no longer 20. Okay. Come on, partner. Right to left to. Nako. Okay. May chance tayo, Mikey. Dun sa may dahon? Sobra yon? Anong bigay mo, Will? Shadow lang?
Ay, patay.
Shanty doodle. Yun, nakuha.
Okay, Mr. Raimundo and Mr. Cortez to go up and down for a par to finish the match. End the match. Naku, maganda yung linya.
Wow, Doy! Wow!
Pumasok
Wow!
na.
Wow! May pumasok!
Tapos na ang laban! Naka 3 points pa! Lamang na sila sa Olympics. 3 points? Oo. Tama, hindi pa pala tapos. We need to make this para... Oh, dormi na, dormi. Dormi pala. Hindi pa pala tapos. Ano bigay nyo? Okay.
May pumasok.
Okay. Okay. We chance to all square. 26 all. 26 all. Nice one, partner. Nice spot, partner. Nice spot, partner. Ay, sorry, Ben. Okay. Mali ang aking ano. So, hindi pa pala sa pareho kaming par. So, we just tied it. Sayang. Okay. So, at least, if we win this hole, half yung... Tatagal pa yung game. Yung game namin, overtime. Hindi, pero gano'n. Tapos pag 0.5 ulit, all...
Pwede.
Tapos kung mag-all square ulit, 0.5 ulit.
Pwede. Okay yun.
Sige. Sige, parang yung isang round natin naging 0.5 lang. Sige. So wala nang closest to the pin. Okay. Gets. Okay, partner, come on. Nice spot, partner. Buti na lang. Na-demoralize na ako, tapos sabi ni Mikey, so dormi na tayo. Hindi. Ay, oo nga, patting par. May chance pa. Okay.
Pero grabe yung pagtigil.
Doy, oo.
Sakto eh. Iniisip ko lang. Ito na lang eh.
Ako, umaasa nga lang ako na, yun nga, mag-mintis kayo, shoot namin, last hole na.
Sabi ko last hole na, bahala na sa last hole.
Na-shoot eh, ganda naman.
Expect na shoot eh.
Yung mukha rin ni Doy, hindi niya rin ini-expect eh. Papakita ko yung video. Hole 18, last hole, this is just to tie or lose the match. 380 yards. We're laying up lang with a 50 yards. 50 way.
Nice partner.
Isang dahil ba mag 1 point talaga tayo. Maximum 6 games, 7 games lang talaga tayo. Oh, di ba?
Sana naman, malay natin.
Oh, yun, nasa June golf naman. Okay, very important second shot for both teams. Ang ganda ng kay Doy. Kanan lang. Sa may area ng bunker. Oh, parang katabi ng bunker sa right side. Okay, Andrew second shot. They are taking Doy's tee shot. Kanan lang. Okay, they went sa 10th hole. We are taking Mikey's tee shot. We're left with around 0.5 lang. Okay. 230 yards hitting a hybrid. At least may angkla na ako.
Kick right.
Okay na, at least safe.
Abot mo.
Short din. Yun, patong! Yeah, baby! Woo!
Ay, tama na. Sobra.
Lumagpas? Okay lang. Okay, third shot of Doy and Andrew. Ang ganda na naman. Ang ganda. Ayun, buti nag-bite. Okay. Na-pull. Okay, may slight opening, Mikey. May slight opening. Sayang naman. What a terrible break. Sobra yung ginulong. Went over pa the green. Almost carried right before. Umabot pa rin. So, ito, we have this to go up and down for par. Tapos sila medyo malayo pa yung par putt. Pag na-shoot talaga nila yan, sa kanila na talaga. Bigay na natin. Okay. Diyan ang bagsak. Maganda, Mikey. Ay, ang sama ng binagsak. They are choosing Lois. Ay, the Andrews shot. Galing naman, ang touch na yan.
Galing naman nun.
Okay, 1 point. Okay na yan? Okay, bogey.
Pasok ka, partner, para 3 points.
Kailangan natin ito ma-shoot kung sakali.
3 points to, diba?
Ganda rin. Ay, that's good. Ay, nako Luigi, anong ginawa mo? Okay, 9 paces. This is to half. To win the hole. Ay, kumanan ka agad. Ay, kumaliwa ka agad. Hindi. Nung...
Boom! 3 points. Night, night.
Nice game.
Galing, galing.
29-26.
27.
Na-all square pa namin. Na-all square namin ng aking partner. Well, hi ka naman. Daming fans yan. Okay. Nice shot.